on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them gang.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, Mdase, for coming back. Dear Nitanda. So guys, today is Saturday and here's the date by Tony. I think it's the 16 or 17, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. And then I'm off to send him a clear name nezikhafu zabantu ePep apha eCarnival. So when I'm done, I'm thinking of going to Foschini. So one band Foschini or a legit, I'm not sure. I'm looking for a push slides or sandals. And this way for my way to Upper, because then what happened is that Gokube say bye. Park was up a kitchen on a flight. We did not check in a bag, and now when we get to the airport, the check-in was already closed. So now we have to leave our bag. Any option was to book for the next day, but for my bag, and I was like, Sana, it doesn't make sense. Uba singathi shekele impahla because besingaphethanga nezinto ezingako, but ke mna ke i-sandals zam nezilights zonke beziphaya because ndiyapakisha mna guys, ndiyathanda uhamba nezinto zam. And now Sana, I'm wearing ezinye nje azicacanga guys, so ndifuna ujonga zona. And then after that I want to plug you guys ngendawo ye-rugs or a mat. It's a China Ntonto next to a China Mall, a Chinatown. So class for my pianos, yeah. Paya only if ixesha liyandivumela, because now the time is past 12 already. Ngapha ndifunyanwa kwamasango ecaweni ndiyokhangela amajerumane phaya uba andinofumana afuna. So and yo guys, sekulate already, so andiyazi noba ndizawubona man. I'm taking you guys along with me, nizawubona nani uba ndigqibele sendisenza ntoni. So yeah guys, masambeni.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Not to stand on my knees, go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone, you get nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah.
Hi guys, Sana. And sephansi guys, i-special se-airfryer siphelile. Siphele nge-10 and now bathi phayana last time umyeni wam wayeyojonga this airfryer ndimcelile uba ndicela sisayijonge, wathi bamnikeze khona eli phepha bamnike lona so that if ufike iphelile bakwazi uba baphinde bamnike, because ulela phepha. So now ulilahlile guys. Ulilahlile na. We are outside builders ngoku siyojonga into yoxhuma i-curtain because i-curtain curtain rail iwile and yabuswa ndim ke sana. Ndabele ndihlala phezu kwe-curtain iphezu kwe-couch kanti izawutsaleka yawo. So ngoku guys, I doubt if I'm still going to Joburg because now the time is 2 o'clock. It's 2 minutes to 2. And sekusemini and it's very hot. So nomandizaya kwamasango only if my husband uvumile ukundikhapha, because Sana, I can't go alone. One, kuyaphithizela phaya kakhulu. Number 2, yes, last time I did because i-license yam ise right. Ngoku i-license yam guys yaphelelwa. Now I need to go and renew i-license yam plus ndisose nenze ne-ID yam kuningi man guys, kuningi, and ngiyi-1 umoya wami usuke waphansi man. Oh, andiyazi guys, andiyazi umoya wami uphansi, ngiyasindela, but ke it's fine, it is fine. Hi guys, I am back, and I just want to quickly show you what I got. I'm a German, and I think I'm obsessed with my Daki because I bought 2 Majeruman. The thing is, Majeruman I 2 guys, and are brown, and I think the only time I can do something about Canala are blue. Hi papi ngone. Manje ngoba la with style, not la normal wamaphana. Yeah. Babe. So this is the first one. This is the print that I got. I'm not sure if nizayibona kakuhle, but this is the print. This is the first print. And yongo I'm and LSB lifana exactly nearly that I wore on my first Eastern Cape vlog. But in a shade brown, Eliana blue, this one. So what I will do now, do I forget my thing because in the end do I stand before the moon. Nanka umzimba guys osebenza nzima. We are also. This is the star of the show. Ta-da! Can't get it for my thumbnail. Yeah. This is the star of the show, guys. Sana onde mandizi totos. Mana apha ine pokothi lapha ngaphandle. Inepokothi elapha ngaphandle amanye ngawakhupha ngapha so that ingazubotyo. And then awuyivula apha. So I think apha this belt mhlawumbe xa uzinqibele casual, yabo, and xa ufuna ukuthi up your game nansi enye into lento kanene because I don't know what it's called. Oh, guys. Yebo. Umzimba guys osebenza nzima iyadodoswa. Kuze nawe uzobana uba motivated. I am selling e-perfumes, most Dubai or Arabic perfumes. I have this one. But ezi zezami ke guys ndigqiboshe ngosiba umzimba osebenza nzima iyadodoswa. Lela vida esben. Oh guys, zinuka kamnandi. Andiyazi noba ndizi-unbox ndizivule okanye ndingazivuli na. Or let me open A1. Let me open A1 guys. Ilanduka yakhona. And then xa uyivula, drum roll please. Yo bethunana khathwe ilanti kasispace. Nansi ke guys ngongo nansi. Yeah, is the perfume. Oh yeah, true guys. Oyifunayo 2.8 apha kum, very affordable. Yes, bye bye mntanami yaphandle. Awufuni uyodlala phandle? Oh, nansi eyesibini. I-berries weekend. And sena favorite when it comes to e-perfumes because zinuka kamnandi man guys, zonke ezi perfume is sana njengani guys, ipackaging yakhona yebo, and ngoku esi yi-300. It comes like this. Yesbo, hey, into engizobaba yona, into endizayinuka kamnandi sana guys into endizoyinuka kamnandi ayisukumi phantsi nasi guys xa sendithe ezi perfume noba yeyiphi ke kwezi ndithi ezi perfume ndibe sana ndinxibile ndimhle sogqiba ndithi ibheg yam ndibe ndithi ndibe uyaxoka guys soze ningandirhaleli tu soze ningarhali asoze ndingarhali guys papa yini ndisithi mandinibonise guys ezi zinto. I will see you tomorrow and I'm deciding. Okay, I decided, I think on Wednesday or Thursday that today or Sunday ndifuna uba ngumayizuzu ndifuna uba ngumama obekekileyo. So tomorrow guys sana into endizobe ngibaba yona nizandibona guys nani soze ndinivini. So yeah bantu, I say bye for now. Guys, it is another day and today is Sunday. So good news is that I found the slip and now I'm off to a checkers. As well guys, when the chill on that ndizawube in my makoti regalia, and yes ndizanibonisa ke outfit of the day. It's just that I have to get ispili esiya the big mirror so that I can do OOTD some. But yeah guys, I am off to a checkers now at the carnival. I don't think that's so good. Sizanje here. See, I have carnival guys. You check is a fryer and mhlawumbe zobona xa sendipha uba ndiza so sendithenge nantoni na. And sana ndiphethe my new baby. Ndiphethe my new baby guys. So yeah, asambile. Hi guys, I am back. Excuse me for the noise. Yana valapa camera. Valapa. So ndibuyile guys ke. Ndibuyile ke sana. Yo. Let's unbox it guys. The air fryer. Let's unbox it the air fryer. Zithu ke guys ndiye ndafumana ezabe ezikho special yabo but ke lena andizolanda nje only one. Let's unbox. My new babe. Hayibo niyabona ke ukuzala kokuzolula yeah. Ufuna uchama chumani kamfaka etoilet dala umchamisa ozochama. So iza inje got cut ngendaba ye-space. Yo, sana vlogging with the phone with the kids. I think I need to get myself a camera now that I'm almost 1K subscribers. Guys, you will always be my fave. So guys, that's FYI. I'm not sure if I have to put it here or there, but the problem is that payana kuko in microwave. And I am so tempted to remove it because I think it's been a month and a half ingasebenzi. So I need to get myself a new microwave as well and a fridge yami ibambiyeka. But ke ifridge, it's a story for another day, because even though ndifuna upgrade, but izangisebenzisa ngasiyekeni guys. So yeah guys, ngase ngayisebenzisa right now, but ke hayi mayiqala ilale guys, mayiqala ilale. Into endizoyenza ngoku, ndifuna ukwenza ukutya. I think ndizokwenza inyama phaa kwi-oven, ndenze i-green salad and ichakalaka, then I'm done. Ndidiniwe guys, sekulate futhi ngoku, it's past 7 xa ubona ndizokwenza ukutya. Yeah, ndazi masiphekeni. Ningahleki i-apron yami ke guys, eshwabeni yami. This is what I got at the Percy. And then nyama lena ifuna ukuyisipayisa just now. Yibo. Let go and sit. Oh, Papa. What's wrong? You don't gonna put that. When's I put that? Uteni. Oh, I'm doing some. I'm here. So it says banana is spice, rice salt. Guys, ndiyeke yonke le nto besithi ndipheka nani because one, there's no mealy meal. I forgot to buy mealy meal. Number two, ndicinga xa kumele ndigrate carrot for my chakalaka ubana ayikho. So guys, good night. Hi guys, it is another day. Namhlanje Monday, it's the 25th of November. Yeah guys, so I am off to Eastgate Mall. I'm looking for iteki. I'm not sure ndikhalela eziphi, but iteki ndifuna something ezongena kumbhaco that I will wear on the 16th of December because ndizobe ndise PE emgidini kulosisi lo ndilandela emva kwakhe emzini. So yeah, and also ndifuna itikiti for my brother uyahamba tomorrow, and ndifuna umjongela izinto nje ezimbalwa. So I am taking you guys along with me. I'm also looking for a microwave, but I'm not sure if ndizayithenga today because asiyami ngemoto. We'll Uber there, and then maybe my husband will pick us up. I don't know, because our plan was that uzasifumana phambili emsebenzini uzophuma ngo-12, but ke ngokuthi kuye kwaba ne-agent meeting. So yeah, andiyazi man guys, ndizabona xa sesiphayana uba sizokwenza njani na. So yeah bantase, let's go. I feel like I need to take a medium because this is large and it's too cool. Let me fit a medium and check. This one doesn't medium is fine, and the ones that have large kuba cool. I didn't know about the cut your corner in cool because now I'm size large, it's large. Finish. Hi guys, I hope you say right when I say it is another day. Ndifuna senzeni a haul of what I got to the day bendiye more on Monday. Was it Monday or Sunday? I'm not sure. Let's start with Upep Home, and then over here, guys. But to take these hangers as hangers, a set of 5. So I got 10, or is that is the 2, and then the hanger these glass canister to store ilanduka of food. I think I have about 3 or 4 arranging. So ndiyongeza. Taking at 1, 2. I'm just picking this Quickly, just put a salad on us. 2, 3. I think I bought 4. Was it 4 or 5? I bought 3. Yeah, I bought 3. And then I get these mugs. Sana. Each was 18.99. Yes, wasn't guys. I bought 5. And then as each was 70 rand. And then I bought 3. So that this was 3. Guys, do you know that feeling after you've got something? Yeah, thank you. And it has Sana. I need to buy. I'm not sure if I'm chilo or Zangin Dicho, but it's fridge in the microwave. I think it's been 2 months now, or a month and a half, I'm not sure. Since my microwave in a sevens. And then if fridge, you see, but nobody else we are in my car. And the thing with if fridge, I want to upgrade now. I'm not sad or I'm not mad. Because I've met my husband in 2015 already. I say now you fridge, the microwave, nezinye appliances. But again, that's changes so they're not going to be sevens. But the thing is, right? I'm just going to go for everything, But the thing is, in built-in cupboard, it accommodates this small fridge. Go and find a bigger fridge, which is 2 doors long. We need to open up the cupboard and the expense layer. And then from Mr. Price, Sana, guys, look at this. Johnny, guys. Oh, I love this bag. Maybe Malin, it was 160. Oh, guys, in Tele bag, it was love at first sight, Sana. And then even this one, neighbor, let it be Malin, 169. Hey, I think I am in my buying era. Guys. And the upper, I'm obsessed. I don't know how many bottles I have. Maybe 4, 5, or 6 and yes. Sun. Nice. It's a color because most of my bottles is here fine. And then I got these. And size guys might be my I don't know. But Mr. Price total it be 1,035 rand. Okay, there was also a brother, my little brother, but it's a bit cooking, so I won't show you. And then from Woolies, let me see. And Woolies, I bought this shoe for my son. It was 219. And then this is for my husband. Yeah. And then this is for our older son. 139. And then this one is for my son as well. 60 rand. And this one is for Uziana. I don't know the price of this one. Guys, son, I think I'm obsessed with impahla zabantwana. Look at this. Even though this was 89.95. And then I bought her these shoes. And guys, I'm not sure I'm fitter. This is size 5, but I think this I'm fitter. 269. I think this is Omlingana. And then this is Skipper. And then these 2, as you said, yes, as you said, Simalin 179.42. Now Lena, a big brother. Lena, Ziafan, a big brother. And then this one is for Uzia as well, now 89 rand. 95. Lena ke lena khona ndizibona ngokuba cishe zafana, but this is plain, and then lena i-decorated, and then nesi guys 399 400. Oh no, ezi zihamba. Hey, andiyazi guys, I don't know, andiyazi. Plus nesi I think ziyi-set zizonke. I am done. And then I am back. And then from Steve Volvo. Guys, Sana, I don't know how I feel about these shoes. As if you are one. I don't know how I feel about these shoes. I bought these Steve Madden sneakers. As is because get 16 guys. Get 16 December. Dia APE. Get 16 December. Dia APE Mkidini. So I want to wear these because I'm watching a plain white sneakers. So I bought these sneakers up. But I'm not sure if it has turned out because I was looking for the Air Force M Shop, which is good, a white Air Force one, but and the money guys. And then from Foschini, just telling the trending what you know, the trending sandal. And then Nesidwaba. What is this Dwaba with TikTok? And then this skirt, pleated skirt. Oh guys, I love this skirt. I think I need to have a collection. I don't know why it's a skirt to see 500. Like you guys understand why it's a skirt to see 500, but it is what it is. And then from Mr. Price Home, guys, what you call that coffee table that I showed you, pa Mr. Price Home ndiyithathile, but yona ndizonibonisa xa sendiyibekile, but ndizanibonisa kahle xa sendifake ne-rug and everything. So for now I can't be abantu until kuhlangane le nto endiyihlanganisayo. And then I bought this 4-piece champagne glass. Is champagne glasses. Ndithenge zona guys. Kudala ndizifuna, but I understand why ezi glasanyana ezincinci these are setting. I don't understand why this is at 199, 200 rand iglass ezinto ezi4. Hi guys, sana sizophela izinto zasendlini, but ndithenge zona. And Vandase, a round of applause, drum roll please, and everything. Guys, we've reached 1,000 subscribers. Imagine, we've reached 1,000 subscribers guys. And Sana, I will be tuning. Thank you so much guys. And guys, kakhulu, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And guys, ngobona potential kuma izuzu. So I'm not sure if I want to celebrate now or maybe later on or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. But Sana, I bought these champagne glasses for Ishaza that I bought for a celebration, guys. Got 1K. Okay, let me pack these things now. I'm gonna come back and announce it you 1K giveaway, guys. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, this is a giveaway. Or let me just announce it now. So guys, please comment down below ne, just to suggest. I'm thinking of giving away 8 inches ne where we've to low one lucky winner, guys. Kuzoba winner, just only one for now. As the channel grows, it's cool ne. So I'll and pick up maybe 2, maybe 3 for winners. They giveaway. But for now, guys, it's only one win. So I don't know the rules and there's one team. Let me think about it and come back now. But I'm thinking of 8 inches where we've and then the voucher. Yeah, 500 rand. Either Dis-Chem or Clicks. Because number one, the reason why I'm saying go Dis-Chem or Clicks, at Dis-Chem you can get anything that's a Clicks. Be it toiletries or snacks or something. So and the husband, guys, I'm not sure, but just comment down below is about you ndenze iweave or voucher, and then mna ndizawujonga kwi-comments ewinileyo ndizanikisa ngayo, and then on my next vlog ndizawube ndi-announcer iwinner, guys. Okay, let me think about it and come back. Bye bantase for now. Mwah. I am back, guys. So I am back for the announcement giveaway. Ne? I am having this here with me, guys. We are less than 300 watch hours. Vanna to reach 4,000 watch hours so that I can be monetized. Please guys watch my videos till the end. So I'm here to announce here, guys, the giveaway. Okay, the rules of the giveaway, ne? But I am still saying ndizawufuna through e-comments if I have to give away 8-inch weave or 500 voucher. It's either Clicks or Dis-Chem, any of the two stores, ne? Yeah. So guys, the rules are, make sure you follow me on Instagram, ne? Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and you have to be subscribed on my channel. Tizawucheka, guys. You have to be subscribed on my channel and follow me on Instagram. Okay, into ozoyenza, you will screenshot, ne? You will screenshot my channel. How many subscribers I have, the name of my channel and all that. Screenshot it and post it quiz story on Instagram. Post it quiz story on Instagram and tag me. Ne? Just write anything and tag me. Tizokwenza lucky draw. Owinileyo ndizam-announcer both Instagram and apha kwi-channel yam. And also comment down below after uqabile usuggesta ubana what do you love about my channel. I think that's fair enough, guys. Ne? So you screenshot guys. How do you open this? Oh, by the way, this is a non-alcoholic shaza. This is a non-alcoholic. Guys, how do you open this? Hey, I don't have ilantikayo. Yes, I thought it was out. And then if like, okay, let me put it aside. So guys, the rules of the giveaway is that you screenshot each channel yam up on how many subscribers I have, the channel, and then post it on your story on Instagram. Tag me. I am Mrs. Mkoto on Instagram. And I am Mrs. Mkoto on Instagram. Undi, follow away, and then make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and then write anything up quick comments. Ndizokwenza lucky draw owinileyo ndizam-announcer here on my YouTube. If you don't have Instagram, I think it's fair enough, those who don't have Instagram, just write something on the comments down below, and then mna ndizawukhetha lucky win. Guys, bendisathi ndibekele ecaleni ndisithi ndizayivula ukuthi ndikhawuleze ndayiyeka bantase. And cheers to our 1,000 subscribers. Mwah! Bye guys, until next time. Okay, let me formally close off. Let me formally close off Ilanduka this vlog. Thank you guys for watching my vlog until this far. Make sure you are subscribed. Please like, share the channel. Until next time, Mandase. Bye. Mwah.